Okay, so example 7a, simplify 2b times 4th root of 32b plus 5 times 4th root of 162b raised to the 5th power. Okay, so kung mapapansin natin, malaki yung indices natin dito sa 4th root. And then, meron din tayong malalaking numbers dito sa loob ng radical symbol. Tapos meron pa tayong variable. So kung mapapansin nyo, mukhang ayaw nyo nang isolve, di ba? Kasi napakalaking numbers. So paano kaya yan? Ngayon, so hihimay-himay natin yan isa-isa. Number lang yan, huwag kayong matakot. Ha? Okay. So first, isimplify natin yung 32 dito at yung 162. Hahanapin natin yung mga factors nila. Baka merong perfect fourth root dyan. Okay. So, gamit yung factor 3. So, meron tayong 32. Unahin natin si 32. So, ano ba yung factors ni 32? Since nag-e-end sa 2 ito, sa even number, ibig sabihin yung 32 ay divisible ng 2. So, 32 divided by 2 is 16. So, meron tayong 16 times 2. So, 16 times 2 is 32. So, 16 is not a prime number. So, hanapin pa natin yung factors niya. So, nag-end sa 6. Ibig sabihin, divisible siya ng 2. So, 16 divided by 2 is 8. So, meron tayong 8 times 2. And again, yung 8 is not a prime factor. So, hanapin pa natin siya. I-break pa natin ito. So, 8 is 4 times 2. And yung 4 is 2 times 2. Okay, so all prime numbers. So we have 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32. So ilang 2 meron tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pero kailangan lang natin ng 4. Kasi 4 or 4th root ang nandyan. So, pagsamahin natin ito, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so meron tayong 4 dyan na 2. So, that is 2 raised to 4 times yung naiwan pang isa times 2. Okay? So, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. So, that is 16 times 2. So, 2 raised to 4 is 16. Okay. Next is si 162. So, ang pair factors natin dito is 16 times 2 sa 32. Next is si 162 naman. Okay, so since nag-e-end sa 2 yan, so, i-divide natin yung 162 sa 2 is, okay, correct, 81. Napakahusay. So, 81 times 2. So, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 8 is 16. And 81 is not a prime number. So, meron yung factors na, okay, very good. That is 9 times 9. And 9 is 3 times 3. Yung 9 na isa is, syempre, ganun din. 3 times 3. Okay, so all primes. So we have 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 times 3, 81 times 2 is 162. Okay, so again, kailangan lang ng apat. Kailangan lang apat na magkakaparehas. So, itong apat na to, siya yung pagsamasamahin natin. So, 3 raised to 4 times 2 or 3 raised to 4 is 3 times 3, 9. And 3 times 3 is 9. And 9 times 9 is 81. So, meron tayong 81 times 2. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. Okay. So, ito na siya. So, i-rewrite natin ito. So, 2b times 4th root of 16 times 2 times b. So, 16 times 2 times b. Okay. Plus 5 times 4th root of 81 times 2. So, yung 81 times 2, yung nakuha natin dito kanina. Times b to the 4th power times b. Okay. So, yung b to the 4th power times b, that is b raised to the 4th power times b, that is equal to b raised to 5. So, 4 plus 1 is 5. So, bakit natin sineparate yung dalawang yan? Kasi meron tayong 4th power dito. So, yung 5, i-divide natin sa 4 kasi mas mataas ito. Ibig sabihin, makakakuha tayo ng 4 na b dito. So, b times b times b times b. So, b times b times b times b. So, meron tayong b raised to the 4th power times b. So, ibig sabihin, may lalabas na isang b mamaya dito sa loob ng radical sign. So, 5 divided by 4 is 1. So, ito yun. Tapos, may remainder pang isang b dito. Okay? Kaya, b raised to the 4th power times b. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay? So, simplify natin. Tanggalin natin yung perfect 4th root sa loob ng radicals. Okay, so 2b times 4th root of 16 is 2. So, lalabas si 16. 4th root is 2. Times, naiwan si 2 times b. That is 2b, 4th root of 2b. Okay. So, 16. Dito siya. 4th root. So, na-cancel yung 4. Kinancel natin yung exponent niya. Tapos yung index. So, lumabas si 2. Ito siya. At naiwan si 2 sa loob ng radical sign. Ito. Okay, so times b. Plus 5 times 4th root of 81 is 3. So, lalabas si 81, magiging 3. So, nandito tayo. 4th root of 3 raised to the 4th power times 2. So, cancel yan. Cancel yon. Lumabas si 3. So, eto siya. Naiwan si 2 sa loob ng radical sign. Eto siya. Times b. So, yung 4 dito, yung binrake natin dyan. So, 4, cancel. Cancel yan. Lalabas si b. Eto siya. Naiwan si b raised to 1. So, ang naiwan is si 2 and b. So, 2 times b is 2b. Okay. So, simplify natin. Multiply natin yung coefficients. So, meron tayong 2b times 2 is 4b. 2 times 2 is 4 times b. So we have 4b. Then times 4th root of 2b. Plus 5 times 3 is 15 times b is 15b. 4th root of 2b. Okay, so meron na tayong like radicals. So meron tayong 4th root of 2b, 4th root of 2b. Ngayon, pwede na nating i-add, i-plus yung 4b at 15b. Okay. So, 4b plus 15b times, copy the common radicals. Yan ay yung 4th root of 2b. Copy lang natin yung isa dyan. Okay, so 4b plus 15b. Since pare silang may b, so pwede natin i-add yung 4 at 15. So 4 plus 15 is 19. And then copy the common variable which is b. So 19b. Huwag niyong i-add yung exponent dyan, ha? Hindi siya multiplication, that is addition. So 19b times 4th root of 2b. Okay, so this is our final answer.